Welcome to the War Industry Muster. Today we analyze weapons sales from the U.S. war industry to the Lebanese armed forces. Orbital ATK, an enormous aerospace weapons manufacturing conglomerate, previously known as Alliant Tech Systems, has its headquarters in Dulles, Virginia. The relevant office for the upcoming contract is Fort Worth, Texas. On two separate occasions, Orbital ATK sold Lebanon Cessna 208B aircraft. In 2015, the aircraft sold included countermeasure systems and hardened points on each wing for Hellfire missiles. Raytheon makes the AGM-114 Hellfire missile. Advanced Technology Systems, ATSC, based in McLean, Virginia, has sold Lebanon Huey parts and spares. Huey is a very durable helicopter, often remembered as the workhorse of the U.S. military in Vietnam. Textron owns Bell Helicopter. It is based in Providence, Rhode Island. Textron's Fort Worth, Texas office sold Lebanon 3 Hueys. Textron is one of the largest players in the U.S. war industry. Its subsidiaries include AAI Corporation, which makes UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles, Beechcraft aircraft, Cessna aircraft. Textron's Commando Select armored personnel carriers have been sold to Iraq and Colombia in recent years. Northrop Grumman purchased Litton Industries of Northridge, California in 2001. In 1996, Litton provided Lebanon with transponder test sets related to IFF systems. IFF, Identification Friend or Foe, allows the user to determine how far away an aircraft or vehicle is and whether they're friendly. Sierra Nevada has provided Lebanon with 6 A-29 aircraft. The office involved in this contract is located in Mary Esther, Florida. Mary Esther, Florida is located right next to Hurlburt Field, which is home to U.S. Air Force Special Operations Command. Among other war products, Sierra Nevada makes cyber technologies, AC-130 weaponry. The AC-130 is a heavily armed fixed-wing gunship, and PC-12 SIGINT technology. PC-12 is an intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance aircraft. PC-12 has been sold to Afghanistan Special Operations Forces in previous months. A Boeing subsidiary named Insitu, based in Bingen, Washington, has provided Lebanon upgrades and modifications to Scan Eagle unmanned aerial vehicles. Work is in Hamat, Lebanon. Hamat is home to a Lebanese Air Force base. Since the contract includes Boeing field service representatives, one can assume Boeing contractors have had a small presence at the airport. ATSC, based in McLean, Virginia, has provided Lebanon with Tetra trunked radio communication systems. Harris Corporation, based in Rochester, New York, has provided Lebanon with Harris radio systems, antennas, software, equipment, and field service representatives. Colt has provided Lebanon with M4 carbines. The office involved is based in West Hartford, Connecticut. Hartford is also home to United Technologies, one of the biggest war corporations in the United States, perhaps best known for making the engines on the F-22 Raptor and the F-35 Joint Strike Fighter. Hellfire Systems is a joint venture between Lockheed Martin and Boeing, based in Orlando, Florida. Hellfire Systems has sold Lebanon Hellfire 2 missiles and training missiles. Raytheon has provided Lebanon with TOW missiles. These are tube-launched, optically tracked, wireless guided, anti-tank missiles, but they can also be used against walls and other fortifications. Raytheon's major missile production plant is in Tucson, Arizona. 6 corporations, 3 in Indiana, 2 in Illinois, 1 in Tennessee, have provided Lebanon with crew-serve weapon, gun mounts, and stands. Thank you for listening. Part 2 is coming soon. Welcome back to the War Industry Muster. This is part 2 of an analysis of U.S. foreign military sales to Lebanon. Prominent corporations that have been discussed so far include Orbital ATK, Northrop Grumman, Textron, Sierra Nevada, Boeing, Harris Corporation, and many more. So far we have discussed foreign military sales regarding aircraft, unmanned aerial vehicles, communications, small arms, and light weaponry. In part 2, we are discussing ground vehicles, watercraft, and foreign liaison administration. Medico Industries, based in Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania, has provided Lebanon with a variety of mortar and artillery shells. Lebanon has purchased many ground vehicles from the United States war industry. Specifically, AM General's Humvee, highly mobile, multi-purpose wheeled vehicle. AM General is based in South Bend, Indiana. These contracts were issued July 6, 2015 and September 23, 2015. Lebanon has purchased a 42-meter coastal security craft from Maritime Security Strategies, which is based in Tampa, Florida. This contract was issued on January 14, 2011. 5 corporations have provided Lebanon with technical and professional support, as well as administrative services regarding the Center for Civil Military Relations, CCMR. Lebanon is one of the potential foreign military sales associated with this contract. Others include Egypt, Indonesia, Singapore, and Saudi Arabia. Combined, these foreign military sales equal less than 2% of the total contract. But this contract is certainly worth noting, considering that hosting foreign officers at the Center for Civil Military Relations at the Naval Postgraduate School in Monterey, California, is one of the many ways the Pentagon builds rapport and long-lasting alliances with individuals and armed forces across the world, regardless of human rights records. This contract was issued July 25, 2014. The aforementioned contracts are just what has been made publicly available on the Pentagon's website. This summary does not provide a comprehensive picture of the Lebanese military, its capabilities, or order of battle. This is not the complete picture, but it does provide an overview of business relations between the Lebanese armed forces and the U.S. war industry. Thank you for your time. Take it easy.